through it from the point of view of really what kind of questions do you want to ask as consumers, as caregivers, as patients about all of these new technologies, and how might they fit into your thinking for how you would like to treat your disease. At a certain point in time, the community needs to ask itself, why would I take a conventional product if I could take an extended half-life product and have decreased infusion frequency? So that's where we're heading. 70% of the patients on the emicizumab had no bleeding at all. So one might argue, based upon everything we know from how inhibitor patients behave, that that's a pretty remarkable result. So now I'm going to turn to gene therapy. Everybody's doing something a little bit different, and it's really not possible to know what the best approach is going to be. So that will rise to the surface, and it will be to our advantage to see which ones really work. So now the SPARK study, the Factor IX study, very compelling results. These are all of the patients that are shown, the 10 patients. Once patients become more comfortable, what we've seen in the gene therapy trials is that the bleeding stops. So if they thought they were bleeding, they get more comfortable with their activity, the fact that they're not bleeding because they've got levels of Factor VIII or Factor IX, and then they just stop treating. I think it's safe to say gene therapy for hemophilia has finally arrived. Thank you.